These are the 9 formulas to remember the studied things. A person's memory power is affected by various things. Many people want to remember whatever they read for a long time. But it is never what everyone wants. In recent times, various studies have shown that people's memory is declining due to various environmental influences and diet. Especially in the field of education, not being able to remember the things read and not getting good results in the examination can be a cause of concern for many people. But if we can follow some easy measures regularly, then memory capacity can be increased. You can remember what you read. Here today we are discussing about some such simple and practical things. 1. Reading by underlining. Some people have a habit of underlining while reading. Doing this will make it easier to find the topic of your interest next time. It becomes easier to remember when you revise the underlined topics a few days before the exam. 2. Make your own notes. Many people ask their friends for notes and read them when the exam comes. It is easier to remember when you make notes yourself. The teacher said that an easier way is to use some points and make notes in your own language. He often does not forget his writings. 3. Practice of writing. The habit of reading and writing only once in the examination will not bring good results. It is easier to practice a question at least 3 times while taking the exam. Practicing questions beforehand at home also boosts confidence. 4. Shortcut reading. Some formula points are long and difficult. It's hard to remember. It is easy to remember the formulas of history, science, economics and mathematics by making shortcuts. For example, while studying the qualities of a good manager, let's say there are 5 points, then read as SMART, whose full form is S for specific, M for measurable, R for realistic, T for time. It's so easy to read like this. 5. Pay attention to practical. If the subject of study is full of theory, then it can be studied by making it practical. For example, if you're an English student, it's helpful to read books of stories and poems written by others to practice how to write stories and poems, rather than reading them yourself. If you focus on what can be done practically instead of forgetting everything, you will not forget what you have read. 6. Question and answer. Reading through question and answer among friends does not benefit as much. Make a small team, ask each other about formulas, points, definitions, etc. By doing this you will know what comes to you and what does not come to you. It's easy to overwork your weaknesses. 7. Enough discussion with friends. If you do not understand any topic while studying, then it is best to consult your friends. It is easy to form groups and discuss topics of interest. By discussing different topics day by day, even the most difficult topics become easy. 8. Giving symbols. Hints can also be given to remember what has been read. Different formulas may be named different colors. 9. Making a timetable. If you study with a load, you will not remember how much you study. Some even say that they did not read it. You have to manage your time to study. A fixed time should be fixed for reading. At what time you should give separate time to study which subject. Dear friends, how did you like this video? Please let me know in the comment section. If you find the video useful, don't forget to like and share it with your friends. See you again in the next video. Thank you. Goodbye.